Hello YouTube. So today's video I'm going to be using a Seafoam. It'll be my first time ever using it. So hopefully you guys stay tuned and here we go.
Drity Dude!
So this is I'm going to be using it because you could hear the valves actually making some noise. I don't know if you guys could hear it. I'm also going to I'm going to keep an eye on the gas mileage. Let's see if it improves. Alright guys, so on the instructions says you have to add an ounce for each quart of oil. So the Titan has 6.5 quarts. So I'm going to be adding 6.5 ounces of the Seafoam. So the truck's already been running for a while. It's warm, it's not hot. So I'm gonna be adding the Seafoam. I'm gonna run it for maybe 5 minutes and let it sit for 30 so it could soak up with the oil. Alright ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna go ahead and take this time to give you guys the disclaimer. Disclaimer. So I've never really done the Seafoam before. So let me know in the comments below if I'm doing this correctly. Also guys, don't forget about that merch. Check me out on Instagram so you can go get your bracelets and those decals and the stickers. So let's keep this video going and here we go. So like I said, I'm gonna let it run for at least a couple minutes so the Seafoam can actually mix with the oil. So far, no smoke coming out of the exhaust. Alright guys, so it's been 30 minutes. No foam coming out of the exhaust. I definitely could smell it, but there's no foam as I've seen on other videos. Like I said, I never done this before. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Please guys let me know in the comments below. I want to know if I'm really doing this correctly. Alright guys, so it's been 3 days, a little more than 100 miles since I put in the Seafoam into the crankcase through the oil fill. So far I haven't seen any smoke coming out the exhaust. So I don't know if I'm doing something incorrectly. You guys please let me know in the comments below. Probably the next step I'm gonna go and do is go through the breather hose. And of course, don't forget to change that oil. I am going to change the oil. And after that, I'm probably wait till like 4,000 miles. I always use synthetic. So it's recommended to change every 5,000 miles or 5 months. I usually change it between 3 to 4. So I'm going to wait and do that and see if that helps, I guess. So again, please guys help me out. Write the comments below. I don't know if I'm doing something incorrectly. Like always guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.